Hey everyone, it's that math magician, and on this video, we're going to continue to look at similar triangles, and we're going to start to develop some shortcuts that we call similarity conditions. Now the point of these conditions is that we can quickly identify whether or not two triangles are similar. And so the first one we're going to focus on is what we refer to as angle-angle similarity. Now what this shortcut says is that if we have two triangles and those two triangles have two pairs of congruent angles, that they are similar. So looking below, we have triangle ABC and we have triangle DEF. So what we want to know is triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF? That is our goal. That's our goal, to figure out whether or not these two triangles are similar. Is one just a dilation of the other? And we're going to prove that using angle-angle similarity. Now again, angle-angle similarity says if I see two pairs of congruent angles, then that's enough to say that they're similar. Well, looking here at both triangles, I can quickly see that they both share this 97-degree angle. Angle A and angle D, they are both 97 degrees, so they're congruent. So that's our first fact. So when we create our flowchart to show whether or not these are similar, that's going to be one of the first facts. The first fact I'm going to write is that the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle D. That is a fact because both triangles have an angle that is 97 degrees. It's angle A and it's angle D. Now all we need now is another set of angles that are equal that we can write here as our fact, and that will be enough to show that these triangles are similar. But as it stands, I see that angle B is 46 degrees and I see that angle F is 37 degrees. Those are definitely not congruent angles. So we wouldn't be able to say that angle B equals angle F. But what we might be able to do is that we actually can solve for one of those unknown angles in the triangle. Do we see down here that I don't know what angle C is? Right? Angle C is blank. But I do know what these two other angles are in the triangle. We have to think back to our friend the triangle-angle sum theorem that says that all three angles inside this triangle are going to add up to 180 degrees. So since I know these two angles here, I can just subtract 97 and 46 from 180 degrees and I'll figure out what angle C is. So let's do that. I'm going to take 180 degrees, I'm going to subtract 97, I'm going to subtract 46 degrees, and once you punch that into your calculator, you figure out that, what a coincidence, it is 37 degrees. So we're now showing that angle C is 37 degrees, just like angle F. Now on this top triangle, we could do that same logic, and we could take 180 degrees, we could subtract the 97, we could subtract the 37, and if we do that, we will also end up with 46 degrees, which would be angle E. You can do this whenever you know two angles. If you know two angles of a triangle, you can always find the third. So now we have our second fact. Our second fact is that the measure of angle C equals the measure of angle F. Now we also know that the measure of angle B equals the measure of angle E. We could also have written that. At this point, it doesn't matter which one we use. All we needed to know was that two angles were congruent. We see that C and F are congruent, and we also saw that A and D were congruent as well. Because these two triangles have two pairs of congruent angles, that is enough for us to complete our flowchart and to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We have proven that fact because triangles have two pairs of congruent angles, and that is angle-angle similarity. So I hope you enjoyed this video explaining how we can use this shortcut called angle-angle similarity to prove that two triangles are similar. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you in the next video.